Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to undo not interested in TikTok. So let's get started. When we tap on not interested in any TikTok video, TikTok does not show similar videos, but if we have accidentally done that, we need to undo this. But there is no particular option to undo it. So what can we do? Let's try this. We need to go to the TikTok app. Let's say this is the video. We have accidentally clicked on not interested. Now at first we need to find the particular video. So we need to go to the profile icon over here and click on this 3-line icon in the top right corner, setting and privacy. Now click on activity center. Now click on watch history. Here we can find the video. But when we press this and we see no option to undo not interested. So how can we do that? We cannot directly undo it, but we can do something to make TikTok know that we are actually interested in it. We can like it, save this to favorites, or share it to someone, or save it. So this is how we can let TikTok algorithm know that we are actually interested in this video. So this is all we can do to undo not interested. So I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.